Hi guys, today I've made crispy and tasty onion pakoda. Follow the step I've shown. You'll definitely get crispy and crunchy pakoda. Let's start. I've taken 3 big onions, sliced long and thin. Shred the onion slice with hand. Now add spice powder. You need half teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 3 green chilli. I've cut the green chilli long and thin. You can add spice according to your choice. 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 3 big garlic cloves crushed. Add salt to taste. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 3 tablespoons of chickpea flour. The rice flour and chickpea flour, I can't give you the exact measurement. It depends upon the onion and the water draining out of the onion. Mix everything well. Add handful of curry leaves. I forgot to add it before. So I'll mix it well. Here I'm adding 1 more tablespoon of chickpea flour. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of hot oil. This is important step. This will give a crisp to the onion. Mix well. You can see the pakoda mix is not binding properly, so please add little more besan and rice flour. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of besan and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Mix well. When you are making onion pakoda, the onion is main in this recipe, so be careful while adding chickpea flour and rice flour. 2 tablespoons of hot oil and water from onion is enough for the pakodas to bind. Keep the flame in medium high. When oil becomes hot, add the pakodas in hot oil. If you keep the pakodas out for long, the onion will ooze out water and you will not get crispy pakoda. Flip the pakodas both the side. When it is cooked, take it out. Can you hear the sound of the crunchy pakodas? Important step to follow is that do not squeeze the water out from the onion. Normally mix all the ingredients with onion. Last week when I made pakoda, after adding hot oil and water from onion, still pakoda mix was dry. So I sprinkle little water. So it is entirely depend on onion. So adjust accordingly. The ratio of besan should be more than the rice flour. I have added 4 tablespoons of rice flour and 5 tablespoons of besan. Thanks for watching.